What's up, my beautiful peeps? How y'all doing today? I am getting off work. You know that excites me. So why me look like me drip up like that? That's what jacket does. But yeah, me I go home now. I'm supposed to go somewhere nice tonight, far out. Some girls. We have a little date night tonight. I mean, I hope it works because I really need a break. I need a break. I know I'm gonna reach a me. Yet me stop a jam rock and get one goat soup. Oh my god, it was so good. It reminds me of home. It was so good. Anybody at the chef, them will go with themselves. But no, I call me that. Not me pull up on my doctor's appointment thinking it's Friday. What kind of careless life you live? Girl, child. For that now the days of the week. See me I drive out from the doctor now. But I go in, walk upstairs and I'm like, well, look like nobody not there here. The security's like, today is Saturday. Them closed. I'm like, what? Saturday. No doctor. So obviously I missed my appointment. But anyway, may I go to the local restaurant now. But I'm telling you this is the best fried chicken. May I get some food for my daughter. Sorry. And a bugu. Just a scratch me. But yeah, I'm gonna show you this little hole in the wall place that got the best fried chicken in Hartford. I don't want to say the best fried chicken in Hartford because it's not like me know everywhere. Damn! No parking? What is happening? So I have to go park in the laundromat and walk go oh so far. But anyway, let's go. We need cash for the restaurant. The restaurant that you scared. The restaurant you have to have your live money. Use them dollar, yeah. Oh no, me I go tonight. Me need dollar them for tip. So me I wear the waist trainer. And from man, my stomach hurt. I don't know if I eat or I eat something. But I'm having this belly pain, which I feel like I eat. I feel like it. My body just not used to it back yet. But my stomach hurt, and I want to reach home to take it off. It feel like crabs. Where's this? Where's that? Oh, I think this is it. What the fuck? See, this is like just a tiny little hole in the wall. The people in there look very aggressive, my friend. Yo, the people in there look so ignorant and mad at the world. My friend for video. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the food. It's not mine, but I'm gonna show me still. Hold on. Outside cold. But anyway, I wanna show you guys the fried chicken. I don't know what about him fried chicken. I feel like say because him doing stuff like original. You know how we do stuff back home? Them fry it in a pot, and I think that is the thing with this food, because him not do. You have to wait when you go in there, the line long so. long because him not fry in a deep fry and them something that him have big dushy around there fried chicken. One and two. And look at old man, you know. What him the little but one big man. Well anyway, yeah, I'm going to see my daughter now. I go drop off some food gear. I don't know if she wants to say hi too. No, if she do, then I'll let her say hi. But yeah, later I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys when I get home. This light is driving me crazy, but I'm not home yet. But I just saw the most disturbing thing on Instagram. What is going on in this world that we live in? Why, if you want to be gay, you know, just go be gay, and if you want to be straight, you be straight, and if you want to be bi, you be bi. Yeah, come on, mate. Why people get people involved in them life like that? This man, this pastor man in Jamaica is sleeping with another man from his church, in a relationship with another man in their church. And alright, fine, do you think nothing wrong with that? But because you want to be a pastor and hide, say, man a F you not do nothing more than set up your own daughter pan the man for marry the man because you want you and the man relationship to be like this and nobody not say nothing about it. So you just set up your daughter pan your man for marry your man so that your man can in a your house with your daughter and all out live good as one and big happy family. Yeah, and guess what happened? Daughter gets sick. God doctor, HIV positive. So father of AIDS, husband of AIDS, daughter of AIDS. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that just the most disturbing thing you ever hear? Like what in the what? Who does that? No, you kill your own pitney. You kill your own pitney because you want to live a certain lifestyle. There's nothing wrong with the lifestyle, but why you get your child involved in it? If you want to do it, go do it. Go hide and do it if you want to hide. Come out of the closet if you want to come out of the closet. But why get the poor child involved and now look at that? Anyway, that was just so crazy to me. It just rubbed me the wrong way. I just think me I come telling about it, but ain't that crazy though? That's like, why would you do that? Why not just hide and do your thing? How you feel?
I was just about to call you.
I'm outside. I'm in the back.
Alright, I'm coming.
Do I gotta come to the door?
Hold on. No, you don't gotta come to the door.
Alright. Yeah, man, that's no. But anyway, that's just crazy. Up. Not that cool. I thought they sold that car. You know how much time people come and look at that car and they never sell it? Why you gonna sell it? Why you not buy it? Because it's overpriced. Say hi. It's overpriced. Why are you selling a Honda with 96,000 miles for 15,000? Y'all see this here? 15,000. Y'all see this here? This is real here, bro. Oh shit! Look at my. This makeup. Is nice. And she bought off her head the other day and look at it now. Yeah. Girl, you got good jeans. It's from you. Yes, it is. Where the food? Food that grown this one. But that's turkey. What is the best fried chicken? I just got a free friggin' turkey. I drive come down on the road, be people out there give free turkey. Oh, the people. Remember I said they be giving out like free dogs and stuff? Be people out there give free turkey, and I'm like, who cook turkey? But I don't know. That's the white people. Telling you. Telling him. I got only two of them there. That's fine. As long as I got a ting, because I like ting. Where is it? It's the back there. It's a... I was waiting. You literally called me right as I was like, where's she at? You hungry? Yeah, girl. I'm about to eat 2 spoons of the food. You're done. Sorry, I'm gonna eat. Please. But see ya. Bye, love you. Hey. Love you.
Love you too, girl.
Thank you, Mom. You're welcome. Bitch. I don't mean that. I don't mean that. Oh, baby, you know, biatch. That's my princess right there. That's my one and only, my everything. I love her so much. But anyway, enough chiddity chattity. Ooh, no, me I go. Hey guys, so I'm getting ready to go out. My face is already washed and prepped and shaved. But for some reason it feels stiff. So I'm gonna put a little bit more.
Pictures to money. So for instance, a woman meet a man and you know what I mean? You start sending picture and
Alright.
you say to him, say, you can send me some money and say, hey.
As if my face not have enough color already, I'm going to try a purple outliner. Am I wearing a purple lipstick? I don't know. I think my face is a coloring book. Ah! Fuck. Right down, guys. This should be good. This is gonna be the scent for the night. It is Jimmy Choo, whatever, I don't know.
Oh my gosh, you were recording?
You record? No. Never did record before. Ooh. Something is hot. And of course, you know I have to wear my favorite girl. So the cologne just not last me no time. Okay guys, so this is a look. My breast keep falling out. Can't help it. So it's a dress from Fashion Nova, size large. If you don't have this, don't have no use. It's not holding up the cha-chas. But yeah, it's all the way down to the floor, and it's some silver slippers from Fashion Nova as well. And that's the look. Come over here, so come on, come and show them you. Look at my cute friend. Ooh. Oh my god. Okay.
One night stand down for you, I'm a rider. She I'm a rider, I'm a love it, baby, when I ride down.
We say the titty nipple of people all night.
That other people that be a jump, you want to jump out.
I tell you.
See, I said, I'm ready for road, let me go.
Crazy. I'm tell you, I'm ready dress here already and my titty them the well fine and copacetic.
But they look smaller. No,
they are, so I don't understand why. It's crazy. Put it on the ground for me, please. You know, so I need GPS to go here. Oh no, Tanya there. Tanya tell me I forget to say you're walking GPS. You know. And the line she's a walking GPS. So we can talk the man now, we can chat him. Oh no, we can't chat him, he follow me now. He follow me YouTube, we can't chat him on camera. We can't chat him on camera. Want to get around this, sir?
Yeah,
Do we like this again?
You want to get rid of him?
We can't chat him on camera, blood clot, we have a lack of camera. People we can't get
no, that. You can't cover it. You know, put music over it. Certain part you put music over it.
Okay, alright then.
No, for edit.
Sir, come on here. You don't like him?
Big body, what's up?
I got something that
Hey guys, I tried to take this shit off my face. Serious. Dog them not nervous. Oh yeah, what it? Listen, the best. So good. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.